In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use Spotify on our Apple Watch. So to use Spotify on your Apple Watch, make sure you have installed the Spotify app on your iPhone, and then on your Apple Watch press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the App Store, and in App Store you have to search for Spotify to install. Spotify. So all you have to need, make sure you have installed Spotify on your both iPhone and Apple Watch. Now on your Apple Watch, open the Spotify. And here is my Spotify. Now if you swipe to the left side, here you directly jump into Spotify homepage. Here you will find lots of artists and songs. You can just scroll through to find out any of the song or artist, or you can use this magnifying glass icon to search for a specific artist or song. Now to play any song, just tap the song that you want to play, tap on this play button, tap on play, and the music will start to play. Now to change your speaker, if you want to play the music on your iPhone, then tap on this device icon. In here you have to select your iPhone, and to play the music on your Apple Watch speaker, in this list, if your Apple Watch supports Spotify Apple Watch speaker, then just select your Apple Watch, and then your Spotify will be play on your Apple Watch. Also, if you go to your iPhone Spotify, as you can see, I can pause this Spotify music from my Apple Watch, just like this. I can also play the next song from my Apple Watch. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.